Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in today's session, we are going to discuss lesson 10 Pit-Pat's Journey. Here. Pit-Pat, the raindrop, is sleeping on a wave. He goes up and down in the middle of the ocean. So, this lesson is about the journey of Pit-Pat. Here, Pit-Pat is the raindrop. One day, Pit-Pat is sleeping on a wave in the ocean. In the middle of the ocean, Pit-Pat is sleeping on the wave. So he goes up and down. As the waves move up and down, Pit-Pat, who is sleeping on the wave, is also moving up and down, and now he is in the middle of the ocean. Then the conversation between the sun and Pit-Pat goes like this. Sun is saying that, "Wake up, Pit-Pat." Then Pit-Pat says, "Oh, it's getting very hot." Then Sun, "Well, my rays are very powerful. It will get hotter still." Pit-Pat, stretching and looking up. "The dark cloud looks cool. It will be nice up there." So here, one day as Pit-Pat was sleeping on the wave in the middle of the ocean, it was going up and down. Then the sun wakes up Pit-Pat. Sun says, "Come on, wake up, Pit-Pat." Then Pit-Pat opens his eyes and says that it's getting very hot as the sun rays are falling. So it is very hot. Then Sun says that, "Well, my rays are very, very powerful that my rays will make everything hotter and hotter." Then Pit-Pat, stretching his hands, looking up. Now Pit-Pat, stretching his arms, looking up, says that the dark cloud looks so cool. So it will be very nice if I go up to the dark clouds. Just then, Pit-Pat feels light and warm. He begins to rise up in the air. Now, just then, Pit-Pat feels that it would be so nice if it go up to the dark clouds. Then, Pit-Pat feels light and warm as it is going up to the clouds. It begins to rise up in the sky and feels very light and warm. Then, Pit-Pat says to the sun, waving its hand saying bye to the sun. Pit-Pat says that, "Hey, I'm floating. I don't have to swim anymore. I'm just gliding up, up and up." So Pit-Pat says to the sun that, "Here, I'm floating here. No need of swimming." So in the water, the Pit-Pat has to swim, but now it is floating. Pit-Pat is floating and gliding up, up, up. So Pit-Pat is feeling very happy as moving on up, up, up. Then as Pit-Pat floats higher, he sees some other drops floating beside him. Now when Pit-Pat is flying higher and higher, there Pit-Pat saw some more other water droplets. Even they too are floating beside him. Now the conversation is between Drip Drop and Pit-Pat. So here Drip Drop says, "Hello, I'm Drip Drop. Have you two come for a ride?" Then Pit-Pat says, "Hi, I have come to cool off. Come, let us join that group there and form a cloud." Soon Pit-Pat is part of a cloud. He floats in the sky along with the other drops of water. Now as Pit-Pat is floating into the sky, Pit-Pat saw some more water droplets. Then Pit-Pat met Drip Drop. Now Drip Drop says hi to Pit-Pat. "Hello, I'm Drip Drop," and says that, and asks the question that, "Have you come here for a ride?" Then Pit-Pat says, "Hi, I came here to cool down myself. Come on, let us go there and join that group. That is, other droplets are there, and let us all form a cloud." Then soon Pit-Pat, Drip Drop, they joins the other droplets and forms a part of a cloud, and he floats in the sky along with the other drops of water. Pit Pat flows in the sky along with the other drops of water and feeling very, very happy. Then Drip Drop says that there we are in a cloud. Lots of drops like you and me have come together to form a cloud. Then Pit Pat says, hey, look at that boy below with his sheep. Drip Drop, those mountains are green and beautiful. Pit Pat, oh, I can see so much from up here. I love being in a cloud. Suddenly, there is a thunder and lightning. The clouds start shaking. Now Pit Pat and Drip Drop are floating in the sky along with the other droplets. Then Drip Drop says that here, there we are in a cloud. Now here it's a cloud. Now we are in the cloud. Lots of drops like you and me all together we form a cloud. Then Pit Pat says that now hey, look down at that boy. The Pit Pat shows a shepherd, a boy who takes the sheep for rearing, the shepherd boy. By seeing the shepherd boy, Pit Pat says that, hey, look at that boy below with his sheep. Then Drip Drop shows the mountains and says that, see those mountains, how green and beautiful. Then Pit Pat says that, I can see many more things from here. As Pit Pat is in the clouds, which is in the sky, Pit Pat can see many beautiful things from the sky. Then says that I love being in a cloud. So Pit Pat is very, very happy that it is in the cloud and it is too cool and see number of things, beautiful things from the sky. Then suddenly all the water droplets, Drip Drop and Pit Pat heard the sound, thundering and lightning sound. Now the clouds started shaking. Then Drip Drop, there is going to be a storm. Get ready for some fun. The tiny drops of water join each other to form large drops. The large drops become very heavy. They get ready to fall on earth as rain. Now here, by listening to the thunder sound, lightning sound and also the shaking of cloud, Drip Drop says that now all of you be ready. Now let us have some fun. Then all the water droplets join together to have a fun. Now these small water droplets join together and form the large drop. So these large drops become very heavy and at last the heavy droplets started falling onto the ground in the form of rain. Then Pit Pat, look, Drip Drop, that would be a good place to land. Then Pit Pat shows a way. Then Pit Pat shows a place to the Drip Drop and says that, look Drip Drop, that would be the nice place for us to land. Now let us land here. Then Drip Drop says, yippee, here we come. Then Pit Pat, this is fun. Smell the fresh air. Then Drip Drop says, wow, we are going so fast. Now all the droplets have formed together and become a big large droplet. As the large droplets are heavy, they are falling down onto the earth in the form of rain. Then the conversation is between Pit Pat and Drip Drop goes like this, that Pit Pat says, look at that place, Drip Drop, it is so nice, we will land there. Then Drip Drop says that, yeah, with lots of happiness, fun, says that, yippee, here we come. Now this is so fun to fall from the sky to the earth, and also says that, come on, just smell the fresh air. So when rain falls, we'll get some smell. That smell will be so beautiful. Isn't it so? That smell will be so pleasant. So Pit Pat says to Drip Drop to smell the fresh air. Then Drip Drop says that it's very fun. Wow, we are going so fast. So these all are the water droplets. Then Pit-Pat says, we are going to join that stream. Now this is a stream, all water droplets are here, and Pit-Pat says that now we are going to join that stream. Then Pit-Pat and Drip-Drop slide down a rock and fall on a leaf. The leaf floats down the stream joins a river, the river flows into the ocean. Now here, as Pit-Pat, Drip-Drop and other droplets fall onto the earth in the form of rain, then both Pit-Pat and Drip-Drop, they slide down a rock, and now these two droplets are on a leaf, and the leaf is floating down the stream. From the stream they have joined a river, and from the river the water along with the leaf flows into the ocean. Now Pit-Pat and Drip-Drop are in the ocean. They are floating on the leaf. Then the conversation between Pit-Pat and Drip-Drop. Pit-Pat says, "Hey, this is where I started. We are back in the ocean." Then Drip-Drop says, "So are you? Sometimes I have landed in a field and watered the crops. Sometimes I have fallen as snow. Once I was part of a lovely lake." Then Pit-Pat says, "How exciting! So will this happen again?" Then Drip-Drop says, "Yes, it will go on and on. When it gets very hot, we rise up in the air. In the sky, we join other drops to form clouds. Soon, we come down on earth as rain or snow." Then Pit-Pat says, "I cannot wait for another adventure." So here, now Pit-Pat, Drip-Drop and other droplets fall down as rain. Pit-Pat and Drip-Drop are floating. Then now they are on the leaf. The leaf floats down into the stream, and the stream water joins a river, and the river water joins the ocean. Now both Pit-Pat and Drip-Drop are on the leaf, and they are in the ocean. Then Pit-Pat says to Drip-Drop that, "Now I came to the place where I have started. From the ocean only, Pit-Pat went up to the clouds. Now again Pit-Pat came down into the ocean." So it says to Drip-Drop that, "I have come from where I have started." Then Drip-Drop says that, "So you are. Even I have landed sometimes in a field and gave water to the crops. Sometimes I have fallen as the snow, and sometimes I have become a part of the lovely lake." So Pit-Pat says that, "How exciting, how interesting, how wonderful. Will it happen again?" Then Drip-Drop says that, "Yes, surely it will happen. Will come down in the form of rain. Then when it gets very hot, again we raise up into the air and joins the cloud, and all the water droplets join together, becomes a larger water drop. Then the heavy water droplets fall onto the earth in the form of rainfall. So once again will come down either as the rain or as the snow." Then Pit-Pat says that, "I can't wait for another adventure." He was so excited that I can't wait for another adventure. Okay, so that is about the lesson Pit-Pat's journey. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to today's year homework, read lesson 10, Pit-Pat's journey. Okay children, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye children.